Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Review. Hi, welcome to Techiato. Hey there, are you looking for a budget phone that actually delivers more than just the basics? The Redmi Note 14 might just be the one for you. Let's dive into what it offers, how it performs, and whether it's worth your money. The Redmi Note 14 looks clean and modern. It's slim, feels comfortable in the hand, and the build quality is surprisingly good for its price. The 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display is a real highlight. It's bright, vibrant, and supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and video playback smooth and enjoyable. When it comes to performance, the phone is powered by either the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 or the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus, depending on your region. For daily tasks like browsing, messaging, watching videos, and even some gaming, it performs very well. With 6 or 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is solid. It runs MIUI 14 based on Android 13, which is snappy overall, though it still includes some bloatware. The 50MP main camera delivers decent shots in good lighting, photos are detailed and colors look nice. However, in low light, the quality drops and night mode doesn't always help. The 8MP selfie camera is okay for casual use, and the 2MP macro lens is more of a gimmick. Battery life is another strong point. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use. And with 33W fast charging, you can get back to 100% in just about an hour, which is super handy. So, is the Redmi Note 14 a good buy? Absolutely, if you're after a reliable phone with a great screen, decent performance, and solid battery life, all at a budget-friendly price. Just don't expect flagship-level cameras or premium software features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech content right here on Techiato.